What you're going to see here now is the live output of what the AI is thinking. And we'll see our instruction here with the time and the current phase, which means programming. For the LLM, there's multiple phases. So I believe most of you are aware of agentic workloads. But if not, the first step will basically be for the first AI agent to decide what should be built. Then you have a second agent which determines which files should be edited. A third agent which gives access to the current files to determine how they should be edited. Then you have a fourth agent which actually writes what the new content of these files should be. And then finally you have the testing phase, which means that the agent will check if the current app is correct or if there's any bugs. And in case there are bugs, then it goes back to the workflow where it asks the other agents to make iterations until these issues are fixed. And finally, what it will do is it will create a commit to GitHub. All of these code is stored on GitHub, which means that you have no platform lock-in whatsoever to us. You can take this GitHub project and host it anywhere you would like. And you can also take the code from here and reiterate it with another AI builder or with any programmers you know or yourself. So what we can see here is all of the files that are edited. And finally, that it created a commit with a description of whatever was your instructions, or at least what it understood from your instructions. A full disclaimer here is that we are working with LLM-generated code. So whatever it just created, I won't know until you guys will also see it. Currently, we're waiting for the tests to run. And after these tests are completed successfully, it will commit this push to GitHub. Which in this case, you will see that it did find an error. So at the bottom, it will now attempt to fix these errors. After which, we'll see that the code will be committed to GitHub.